Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to create the custom post fields into your WordPress custom post type. So here you can see that I have created the custom field, whose name is custom field label. So whatever data I'm going to save, Rajnikant Chaudhary, okay, I have saved this custom field and I'm just going to save this part. Okay, so you can see it's saved now, right? So and how I'm going to fetch this one, I have added the code in the functions.php. Let me check. This is custom meta box I have added and save. This is for the getting that one. Just I'm going to get this one and just pasting our single PA page. Also I'm going to paste this one in the comment section. Custom field name true, and let's check this one, echo that part. Okay, save this and let's upload it. Let's go and check the posts. Was it post? No, we have to go with the test. Let's open the single post. Materials. Let's view this post. And now we will check the custom post, custom field which we have created. You can see it's coming over here. So how we are going to create this custom field into your WordPress post? Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how we are going to create that one. So here, go to our functions.php. Okay, so let's check step by step. Okay, so this is basically the meta box for the custom box. Okay, so add the meta box for the custom fields. So here we have add the meta box, that is custom. This should be a unique ID, title name and callback function to render the fields, post type and position, and the priority should be default, high and the low. Okay, add the meta boxes. Next, render the custom fields in the meta box. Okay, so here we have the get the post ID with custom field name. So here render the HTML part. So this is HTML. Okay, so here we have echo the value, whatever have the custom field value. Okay, then we have to save that custom field. So this is the method save custom post type field. This is a function and accept the post ID. Okay, if it is set, then if it is not, then return. Okay, sanitize that value and update that post meta. So this is the method to update the post meta and the field name, okay, with the field value, and the save this. And the rest method to display it, I have already shown to you, like how we are going to show that one. So just it's a simple case post meta, get the ID and the field name true. So, okay, so this is how we are able to create the meta boxes or the custom field into your WordPress custom post type. Okay, so it's very easy and the very simple. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.